Now, welcome back to the fifth HTML tutorial of learning how to code in Pidgin English. For inside this tutorial, we go continue to dey talk about typography. And the first thing wey we go talk about na superscript and subscript. So superscript na when you wan make something go up a little, and subscript na when you wan make something go down a little for inside the text wey you dey represent for inside HTML. No forget say I tell you say everything wey we dey do for inside HTML na tag we dey use dey do am. So to do superscript now, I go just use the sup tag. So I go just come here and say sup, and I go come here, I go close the sup tag. You see say I don use superscript tag now, and I don put this molet inside the superscript tag. So I go come save this information now, go to our website and reload it. Now you don see say, look at this place now, you don see say e don carry this molet. This molet don raise am high a little. So this one now, e don take the effect of that superscript. So now let's do the subscript. So I go just come here now, this if sum, I will just put the subscript tag. So if I do sub, and I come here again, do. Now that I don add the subscript tag now, I go just save this file, go back to our website and reload it. Now you don see say this if sum now, e don come down a little. So na the subscript be this, while this one na the superscript. So superscript na up, subscript na down. So the next thing wey we go talk about now na how to add emphasis. So for inside HTML, you fit use different tags to add emphasis. If you wan make your text bold a little, if you wan make your text dey a little bend wey dem dey call italicize. So to make something bold a little for inside HTML, we go use the strong tag. So if I do strong, I go just put e choke inside this strong tag. If I save am now, you go just come here, come reload this web page. Then you go see say this e choke, e come dey more bold, e come dey blacker than this one. So if you wan see the power of this strong tag now, inside this one, I go just come somewhere here, put the strong tag. Save this file now, go back to our website and reload our website. Now you go see say this irure, I no sabi wetin this one mean o. This irure, e don dey more blacker than the rest of this text wey dey here. So na wetin dem dey use strong tag dey do be that. So another tag wey dey add emphasis na I tag. So if I put information here now, say this is italic, save this information now, go back to our website and reload it. You see say this text now come get some pelenge style, like say e wan fall, come slant, come bend small. So na wetin italic tag dey do be that, wey be I tag. E come get another tag wey be em tag. So you see this em tag now, I go come talk say this is em tag. So wetin that em mean be say na emphasis, emphasis. So if I save this information now, come go back to our website, then reload am. So now you go see say that em tag don add some pelenge and slanting style for inside this our text. So wetin come be the difference between the I tag and the em tag? The two no really get big difference like that. If you dey look at it like this, you no fit see any difference. But where e dey always dey useful be say, for em tag, that em tag dey useful for assistive technology, people wey get eye challenge, wey no fit read well, wey computer dey read for them. So if you use em tag to represent information for your website, computer go emphasize when e reach that side. When computer wan read that one, computer go emphasize am. So na just the difference be that. So as we don talk about typography again for inside this tutorial, na so e go be for inside this tutorial. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey talk about links.